I introduce a law that is called as Hooke's law. ठीक है? This is applicable for spring also and all elastic bodies. So Hooke's law says that within a certain limit of stress,
yes, sir.
This limit is called as proportional limit. Within a certain limit of stress, the stress generated in a body is directly proportional. The strain generated in a body is directly proportional to the stress. This is Hooke's law. It says that strain is directly proportional to stress within a certain limit called as proportional limit.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, एकदम directly proportional है. तो I can write strain is some constant C into stress. So this constant C, yeah, say 1 by C, 1 by C. ठीक है, so I can write stress upon strain is equal to C.
Yes.
Now this constant C इसका नाम है and it depends on type of material. It depends on type of material. Steel है या wood है. And this C constant, this is called as modulus of elasticity. ये जो ratio होता है stress upon strain, this is modulus of elasticity कहलाता है. Now coming to the modulus of elasticity. The modulus of elasticity is of 3 types. ये 3 तरीके का होता है. क्यों 3 तरीके का होता है? क्योंकि स्ट्रेस 3 तरीके का होता है, स्ट्रेन 3 तरीके का होता है, तो स्ट्रेस बाय स्ट्रेन का रेशियो भी 3 तरीके का होगा. कौन कौन से वो 3 तरीके हैं? ठीक है. सो पहला कहलाता है Young's modulus of elasticity. ठीक है. दूसरा कहलाता है modulus of rigidity. और तीसरा कहलाता है bulk modulus of elasticity. ठीक है. तो what is Young's modulus? तो Young's modulus is longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain.
Okay. Modulus of rigidity.
Modulus of rigidity, that is shear stress upon shear strain. क्या से represent करते हैं modulus of rigidity. And then हमारे पास आता है bulk modulus B, that is volumetric stress upon volumetric strain with a minus sign here. यहाँ पे हम minus sign put कर देते हैं. So basically this becomes pressure upon delta V by V minus sign. Eta तो बहुत ही simple है. Eta क्या हो जाएगा? Eta जो हो जाएगा F upon A upon X by H हो जाएगा. ये tan theta के.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
And longitudinal stress जो हो जाएगा F upon A delta L upon L. See, एक चीज बस यहाँ पे पॉइंट में मेंशन कर देता हूँ. The inverse of bulk modulus is called as compressibility.
Bulk modulus, okay.
ठीक है. बल्क मॉडुलस का जो रिवर्स होता है वो कंप्रेसिबिलिटी कहते हैं. मतलब वॉल्यूमेट्रिक स्ट्रेन बाय स्ट्रेस, मतलब पर यूनिट स्ट्रेस के लिए कितना स्ट्रेन हो रहा है, दैट tells us about the compressibility, कि कितना easily compress किया जा सकता है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.